Collegeboxes has changed the way you move again. We're the #1 student storage and shipping provider in the country, backed by a company you know and trust, U-Haul. Collegeboxes are perfect for every student, whether you're a freshman getting ready for your first year on campus or a senior finishing up your last semester. Collegeboxes conveniently ships to you. When you receive your boxes, simply pack your belongings, tape them shut, label them, and you're done. Have items that won't fit, such as a bike or your favorite chair? No problem. Just attach a label pouch to it and it's ready to go. Free pickup at your door is available, so you don't have to take time away from studying for finals. Once picked up, your items will either be shipped to the destination of your choice or stored at a U-Haul storage location near your school till you return for your next semester. When that time comes, your Collegeboxes will be waiting for you, no extra fees. Ready to start your new year at school. Collegeboxes, the solution to all things college moving.